guys, it's Leticia. Welcome back to my channel. So this makeup look is for St. Patrick's Day, and I did a cut crease with the liner, you really can't tell, and some big old lashes, and you know, pop of color because you know me, and just had to, you know. So if you guys want to keep on watching to see this makeup tutorial, stay tuned, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, guys. Peace. Okay, I'm taking my Born This Way concealer, and I'm just gonna outline the top of my eyebrow, and then I'm gonna take my white pencil from NYX and put that on my lid. And I'm just using this so that the pigment of the colors show up more. And we're gonna blend that out with our sponge or your finger, it doesn't matter. Alright, I have no idea what I'm going to do to my eye. I just know that it's gonna be green for St. Patrick's Day, and my best friend is watching Star, so that's what you hear in the background. So yeah, let's get started. And I'm gonna be using the Morphe Mood, and the James Charles palette, maybe, not quite sure. Oh, and Juvia's place. We're gonna take Zuri and put that in our eyebrow highlight. So I just, I look crazy as hell. So I just went off and did my other eye, and now we're about to move into the eyeshadows. I'm gonna be using like these colors right here. I don't know the names of it because it doesn't have them on there. I'm gonna go with, we're gonna go with this color first. I'm just gonna pack it on first and then blend it out. And to darken that up, I'm gonna take a darker green. So I'm gonna mix this one and this one together, and we're gonna put that in the crease. And you can make it how intense you want it. It's up to you, your preference. I'm gonna go dark with it. I'm gonna take that light green and blend it out. I just went and did the other eye, but I think I want to deepen it a little bit more, just with that darker color, not that green color. Taking my concealer and cutting the crease. What you're gonna do is just look up, and where it starts, that's where you're gonna start your crease. And then I'm gonna blend the outer part with my finger. Okay, so what I did, I just added that darker green to the outer part, just to blend that concealer out. Take that light green and just taking a light color and just putting it on the crease, well, my lid, and tapping it out if you have any lines. Do my eyebrows next. And y'all, nobody told me about this product right here. Like, this product is so good. I know I'm late, but this product, let me just show y'all. Hold on. Like, why ain't nobody told me about this product? I mean, people told me, but I just never picked it up. But Hunty is amazing. Let me get my eyebrow pencil. Like, this part right here, hands down, one of the best. So I went to go get my eyebrows threaded, right, this weekend. I know I don't have eyebrows. Like, I know. Why is the lady gonna tell me, oh, have you ever heard of microblading? You should get it done because you don't have eyebrows. I looked at her, I was like, yeah, I heard of it, and no thank you. Like, I know I don't have eyebrows. Like, you ain't gotta tell me. And then she gonna try to make it up for her, saying, oh, well, you have a shape, you just don't have eyebrows. I see my face every day. I know. She done made me so mad. I was like, oh, you lucky you did my eyebrows, because I would cuss you out real quick. But yeah, this product right here is bomb. I don't think I'm gonna go back to like pomades. And if they stop selling this, one day I'll be so upset. And there we go, and that's one brow on. And I'm gonna go and do the next eyebrow. My other eyebrow. Honey, these eyebrows are slayed and laid. Alright, now I'm gonna move on to my face, and all the products that I show you will be down in the description box below. So I already did my skincare routine, and if you haven't watched that, go watch it. I'll link it down below or put it in the eye cards up here, whichever way it goes. big old lashes on, and I did a wing, but this lash is not cooperating with me and it's about to piss me off. So I'm just gonna add mascara to blend my lashes, and then we're gonna work on the bottom lash line. The lower lash line, we're gonna take that dark green color that we used to this one and smoke it out and just connect it to the outer part, because we're gonna take that light green and we're gonna smoke it out as well. Take that light green and smoke it out as well. Now I'm gonna add mascara. Alright, now that I did the bottom mascara, I'm gonna do a pop of like color in the inner corner with either, I think this green. Yeah, we're gonna go with that green. Yes, do you see that? Like, oh my god, this eye is so pretty. We're gonna move on to highlight in the lips, and we're done with this look. Highlight, Master Chrome. Yeah, you guys already know. You already know what the deal is with this highlighter. Just like y'all see that? Please. Lips. I'm taking my favorite Wet n Wild liner. I'm gonna take my favorite Kylie lipstick in Dolce K and put that in the inner part of my lips. And to lighten a little bit, I'm going to take my concealer and just dab it in the middle. Just a little bit, not a lot. I was gonna do lip gloss, but I kind of like it matte. Alright, I'll be right back with the finished look with my earrings and outfit. I'll be right back. I'm done with getting dressed and putting on my accessories. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something from this video. I know my energy was low. I'm not feeling so good, but yeah, I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Ooh, don't mind that. But yeah, this is the final look. I'll see you guys in my next one. Since you came in my life, I'll never push you away or brush you off to the side. See, girl, I see my luck has changed for the better. See, I got so much love for you in these arms. You should know.